Hello. You can see I am on a deal, and the deal folder ID is saved on WorkDrive Folder ID ext field. And if you go to the related list, you can see the easy WorkDrive related list, and these are the total structure. If I need to rename this deal folder according to the deal name, I need to construct a workflow. For that, go to the setting, Workflows, create a rule. Let's say for deal. OK. Rename WorkDrive folder on update action of deal name. OK. Select record action, edit. OK, let's be specific. Deal name is modified to any value. And we set the condition. The field where the folder ID is being saved should not be empty. It cannot be empty. Done. In the instant action, go to Custom Action. Select the WorkDrive setting. Edit folder name. OK, here you can see this is asking for the field in which the deal folder ID is being saved. So in our case, this is the WorkDrive Folder ID ext, and the new name should be the deal name. OK, save. Update folder name. Save and associate. Save. The workflow is being saved. Now, if I change the deal name, let's say, OK, we need to check the time whether the workflow has been triggered or not. After refreshing the page, I can see the workflow has been triggered. If now I go to the WorkDrive related list, you can see the folder name has been changed. So that's how the automation runs. Thanks.